Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. I want to just discuss real quick why I didn't post last week, and I didn't really mention anything about it. I was sick, and I had been bedridden for about a week, and then so for like the past 4 to 5 days I've been milling out all these boards for the cabin, and we've got a total of 75 boards here, and yeah, I'm still not fully recovered from the sickness, and that might be why my voice is a little off. But yeah, so we got 75 boards right here. These are all going to be siding. These are all birch that we had harvested in previous years, and these are all going to be siding boards, which is really exciting. And it is, yeah, really exciting. Anyway, so what we're going to do, maybe in my next video, is we're going to take all these boards right here and run them through this to get them to the right width. The table saw right there. Anyways, I hope you guys are all doing great. I don't have too much of a video because I've been milling straight for 5 days, so I'm basically going to roll just a bunch of the milling footage that I got. Alright, bye guys. We're going to town, folks. It is. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And we are milling today. That is what we are doing. We've got Harley and Lily down here as our specialty guests, and we are milling out more siding. So we got another log on here, folks. We got Brady, we got the whole crew down here. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see Harley's enjoying an ice cream cone in the middle of winter. It is almost the shortest day of the year. That's tomorrow. And Harley's sitting here. He's enjoying his ice cream. As you can see here, folks, we've got Harley and Lily. They're scraping off all the sawdust and stuff like that, making it so when we go and router them, then they won't have any sawdust, which is a big help. Alright, folks. Let's take a gander over here. As you can see, Dad is getting some more logs. Just dug those out. Those are some spruce logs, I do believe. Anyways, he's bringing those in. We've got a couple other spruce logs right there for them to go with. And in here, we have, I think, just about 50 boards. I think. Could be wrong. There's our pile right there. That's about 50 of them, I think. Anyways. It's about 2 o'clock right now, and in about an hour it's going to start getting dark, so I'm going to try to cut up another log or so. Okay. So still. Alright, stop. Okay, folks, that is the end of the video, and if you did enjoy the video, maybe consider leaving a like and maybe subscribing. That would be greatly appreciated. As always, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.